In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the audio for your Instagram videos and reels. Sometimes when you make these posts, you'll use an audio from the platform, and then as you can see up towards the top, it says audio unavailable because Instagram removes that audio for some reason, and then it's unavailable for all the posts that use that. But good news is, they've added a way where you can replace this audio with something else. So it's done this on a couple of my posts, as you can see. What you want to do is tap the three dots on the top right corner and then go to edit. Now up at the top, you're going to see add location, add AI label, add paid partnership label, and then audio unavailable. But you can just tap on this and it's gonna let you choose which of these you want to edit. So I wanna go to replace audio. And it'll tell you the issue, the audio track in your post is unavailable due to licensing changes with the rights holder. You can replace it with a new track one time only. So let's go ahead and replace this. And by the way, this is the meme from the Ninja New Year's Eve Fortnite event. I'm not seeing enough movement, one of the greatest memes of all time. Okay, I'm just gonna pick the shimmer emote, Fortnite one. Hit the arrow on the bottom right corner. It's gonna let me select like which part of the song I want here. Tap done and tap done again. Okay, here's my post. I just had to quit the app and refresh, but you can see it's now playing the music there at the top. You probably can't hear it because I'm plugged in, but there we go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.